Yeah, hi, my name is Suresh Shinde. I am from the Maharashtra. My company is called Unity Infrastructure Group. It's my company into the real estate, constructions and the hotel projects. Mainly we are into the construction industry. I am having the experience with the IDE since last 4 years. I has attended, this is my, you can say it's 7th event where I am attending. And I'm very impressed while providing the services and hospitality from the IDE. There is a lot of benefits from this event. We are meeting the suppliers and the vendor across the country with the new innovative products, and same things we can utilize for the upcoming constructions and the real estate industries. Means overall we can say it's rating wise, if we ask, it is like we can give a grade ratings where we can meet architectures, suppliers, vendors, developers in one platforms. Concept is very good, face-to-face meetings, because while discussing over the phones we are not getting exactly idea what we are talking about. When we are having the face-to-face meetings, there is several points we can say. We can see the samples, we can discuss on the pricing, we can discuss on the technical data sheet, specifications, whatever it is doubt we are having in the mind, there is a platform where we can clear everything on one desktop. No, this event is totally different. We cannot compare this event with the other seminars and the exhibitions. Exhibition, just we have to drop the cards and get there, means change the business cards. But this event we can sit in front of each other, and what is this like from the IDE, what is the benefits we are getting. They are always targeted on to the every customers. We can say we as a customer, it's not only we. There is a suppliers, there is a builders, developers, clients, everyone's. Yeah, you have to attend these meetings. The schedules and planning is like a well organized organizations.